Hey there, friends. Welcome to Try Paper Play. Aisha's in the house. Welcome to Try Paper Play. Before you, I've got a fabulous rustic journal. And this journal is created, number one, not only with a lot of love, it was created with lots and lots of love. And it's sticking to my lovely white background here. But first and foremost, let me say if this video is a little bit dark, bear with me. My batteries are being charged right now, but the light is also going and I am determined to get this out. So this is a rustic journal. It's made with paper bags. It's the flat paper bags. So it's got no gusset. And I've opened both ends so you get an opportunity to not only have extra goodies, but also it gives the sturdiness to the cover. When we go into it, it's similar like any journal. Most of my journals are soft cover journals, either made with wallpaper sample sheets or cardstock. And then there are times where you're able to purchase also the ones where I extend the spine and make journals. So I would take out the guts, and somewhere down in my history there, I've got one or at least two videos where I'm showing how to create journals by using the book covers. And so this is one that I got done today. I'm so excited. I actually got this from Value Village and they had at least, I don't know, 20 of them. And I at first wanted to take them all. And now that I've decided to gut them and use them for journaling books, maybe when I return they'll be there. Maybe they won't. But I'm looking to show you what the insides look like. So on the insides of this precious book was pages such as this. And they've got lovely storylines and great teachings on how to get along well with siblings and how to share. I found it very, very wonderful. And so the only thing is that the pages come out singly. They weren't connected. And that is not a problem when you're putting them into your journal because, FYI, if you tape the middle, you can then connect them and have them as your pages. So I may or may not do that. Now, I do have a, there we go. My battery got ready for me. And so I do have a, what you call it, a journaling pack. Not a journaling pack, but rather some pages and pieces. I call them pages and pieces. All things paper play. You know, in this amazing world of paper play, paper crafting, paper is the king. And so, yes, I've got papers and pieces. That's where you get the pages and pieces, where you get the pages and you get, whether it's envelopes and whatever else. So here, let's look at this lovely rustic journal. It is an embellished journal. It's got so many lovely writing spots. Look how I was able to utilize these beautiful end cuts. We do not throw away our end cuts. We do not. One of the things that I champion is supporting grade fours and fives. And so with that, they're able to, create cards. If you've got young children, you know that throughout the school year, they create cards for their families, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and such. And so I attend their classes for presentations, and then ongoing, I bless them with paper packs and all the other lovely goodies that I come across. I package for them. So I've got two classes of 27 students. And, the weird thing is that I started this the beginning of this year, and it's been so wonderful. It's like I've got all of these children, and come September, I'll have another set of students. And what started me off, you see, look how I was able to utilize these paper pieces. I love it. What started me off with supporting these grade fours and fives is that I have a 16-year-old daughter, and when she left to go on to grade six, all hell broke loose. And, grade six is, I came to realize, is where not only do you grow over the summer, but the boys started noticing the girls more, and vice versa. And sometimes certain things are not for the best. And so I struggled a bit. Thankfully, my daughter is now in grade 11 and loving her schooling, and I could not be happier. Getting 90s and the whole bit and whatnot, planning for university. But it was a struggle. Grade six was a struggle, and seven, and so on. And so my goal is to make a difference as much as possible for these children. And I once heard a sermon by one of my pastors, and the sermon was, "What do you have in your hands?" And all of us, whatever you're blessed with, it's for us to use to be forward, pay forward, and bless somebody else. Mine happens to be the love of paper crafting, and thankfully, I'm always inviting individuals to try paper play. And so, what better opportunity to start these children off with something positive at such a young age, just to be one positive influence for them. So, that's what I do. That's how I got started, encouraging these children and so on. Anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. So, this lovely, lovely journal will be in my Etsy store. Try Paper Play Journals. Go on to Try Paper Play Journals. My information will be below. That's trypaperplayjournals.etsy.com. And this lovely, lovely pack, I just think it's so wonderful because this journal, it's beautiful on its own right now with all of these goodies inside and whatnot. But here I've got just a little over 60 pieces, if not 70, but I stopped counting. So over 60 varied pieces that you can use to further either decorate this lovely journal, or you can use it for another, um, you know, embellishment adventure that you so decide upon. And so this is going to be in my store. Go on over there. Try Paper Play Journals. This is a rustic journal. It's beautiful. And listen, I want to thank you in advance because I know that you guys have been supporting me, and yet many people do not know of me. So I encourage you, if you're watching this, to share this video near and far. And my Etsy needs a little bit more attention because I tend to sell my journals, you know, with one-on-one and people who I know, but I'm trying to spread the love and, make this so well known, because paper play is not just for children. We know that. We know that already. Paper play is not just for children. It brings out the children in us. So we want to make sure that we are spreading the love of paper play, because, hey, this world can be so crazy at times, right? It could be absolutely, absolutely crazy. So I've been, for myself, when I create, journals such as this, I've been using similar paper plate pieces for other rustic journals, and honestly, it's transformed my journaling experience. So if you want to add a little bit more extra charm, a little bit more personality to these pages or any other pieces, then go over to my Etsy shop for your own set of these lovely, lovely paper play pieces, and get the journal because they come together. Now, I do not have separate packs there for you to purchase, but you can contact me, and in the future, I will work on that. But for now, thank you, thank you, thank you. Try paper play, everybody. There's so much endorphins that runs through me every single time I touch paper, I play with paper. I just love it. I must tell you, look forward to my pages and pieces, because you're gonna love it. My P&P, pages and pieces. So take care. Try paper play in the house. Thank you, guys. And listen, a big shout out to Lisa from who's all and not alone, but yet the creator behind Scrap Fest, and also um, Evelyn from the Glitter Hub. And Evelyn, shout out to you, because listen, I love, love, love that name, the Glitter Hub. So if you are not aware of the Glitter Hub is a paper craft store in Aurora, and I love it because it's almost like in every corner of of our what Ontario, we've got crafty stores, right? So the Glitter Hub is my new find, because I didn't know about the Glitter Hub until I went to Crop Fest and I met Evelyn and Marcy, who is a genius at her creation. And earlier today, listen, everybody, earlier today I was on Facebook and watching Evelyn showcase some of the work that Marcy did and some others. Absolutely phenomenal. You need to go there. If you drive, it's like lickety split, you're there. And I love it. All the glitters. I love that name. I wish I had that, because then I could use all the glitters. And who can live without glitters? So I love your creativity, Evelyn and Marcy, and all the glitter that you have over there. And if you're looking even to have, I think, I noticed in one of the videos that she's got events and such for children to go and play with glitters and just a lot of stuff, because Evelyn is a business lady by trade. Her background is business. So way to go, Evelyn. The Glitter Hub, everybody. Thank you for checking me out. Try paper play. Remember, paper crafting has no age limit except for the ones that you put in it. So take off the age limit, get into paper play. You're gonna love it. Take care. Bye.